Until today I see that winter is past, and I see through orchards and through meadows the flower and the grass grow green again, and the birds cry and sing. So I am a little gladdened, and since it pleases my faithful heart that I sing, I shall put myself to the test of that in which it takes delight, for good singing will be fitting from now on. Hey! But I am so pensive and sorrowful that I do not know what I say or do. You ask what I want, you to know it, since you so wish to hear it. Now it is a heavy burden to suffer, from the rich, cruel, wealthy renegade to my sea raised to the highest favor, where the poor, pure, true substance should be standing. Fool, you who speak, for whom does this happen? And I shall tell you. You will make me speak to the board, but I cannot do otherwise, so angered am I for those through whom worth is brought low, and who make youth die and make love and joy fail. They have held the prized in disdain and welcome those whom it pleases them to, and the worthy are not glad at all, for when they have suffered grievous ills for it. I do not wish to say more, but it goes badly. Ah, ladies, how worth is destroy, and joy and delight and solace. Why do you not do what you should do, and could advance the world, loving, honoring, and welcoming those in whom are pure goodness, so that you might not be reproached, drive away those of whom it happens that it is well fitting that he be shamed, toward whom no goodness shows itself. And thus the world would be healed, and your worth raised and exalted, for through your pure beauty you could enrich the whole world. With knights and with arming we would see many rich tourneys mixed, and the joy of love would be exalted, as the worthy would do, I know it, and your worth would be heard, both far and near, and here and there, and thus the world would be healed, and your worth raised and exalted. My song, go quickly and set out, and make yourself heard on all sides, for in such a place you will be sung, where you will make love and give thanks. And in such a place, for truth I can say it, where I shall be ill spoken of and blamed, and such a fate will be given to you, that it pleases me greatly that it goes thus. For by the worthy you will be welcomed, and the base will wish you well. This new song, carry it for me, Lord Elias, there where beauty is, with joy and with pure true worth, toward estate to Lady Beatrice, and to my restorer, there where he dwells.